We're reaching that critical point, and this is our critical point, that we really have to practice our preventative measures in order for us to avoid going back to the stay in shelter.
New at 5 o'clock, COVID-19 restrictions rolling back in Marion County as cases here surge. Health officials say Indianapolis could hit 1,000 cases a day.
And scary stuff. The new restrictions will affect schools, businesses, and entertainment venues. We have team coverage once again tonight. We start with Richard Essex, who has more on the Marion County restrictions. Richard.
Well, these new restrictions are going to impact everybody in Indianapolis and Marion County. These new restrictions come from Mayor Joe Hogsett and the director of the Marion County Health Department, Dr. Virginia Kane. Every school, bar, restaurant, gyms, anybody that allows the public inside of their business are going to have to start limiting how many people can come inside.
The traffic in downtown Indianapolis is like any other weekday. People are out moving around the city, which, according to Mayor Hogsett, is not helping stop the spread of the virus. To help, the health department has ordered schools in Marion County to move to virtual learning by November 30th and through January 18th.
I want to be clear that we're also seeing a fundamental shift from community spread in public places to infections that are occurring within private homes, between extended family and friends.
Also effective at midnight Sunday, restaurants and funeral homes are limited to 50% capacity inside. Bars, gyms, museums, bowling alleys, movie theaters, and other entertainment venues are limited to 25% capacity inside. Another area of concern, Thanksgiving.
If weather allows, eat outside. Don't travel if you don't have to leave the home. And if you do travel to family gatherings, please quarantine yourself upon your return. That will help stop the spread of the virus.
According to the Marion County Health Department, the number of cases started to increase in early October and continued right through the election. During that same period, Marion County voters stood in line shoulder to shoulder and often for hours at a time. Dr. Virginia Kane says it is not clear if there is a correlation yet.
What happens now, there is what's called a 14 days incubation period. So you usually don't see the impact from voting until at least 2 to 3 weeks later.
This new public health order limits weddings, fairs, festivals, conventions, and sporting events to 50 people, the exception being for events that already have an approved safety plan from the Marion County Health Department. Home Colts games will remain limited to 12,500 people over here at Lucas Oil Stadium. Now, this health order is unlike some of the other ones. It goes into effect at midnight on Sunday night, but unlike some of the other ones, this one does not have an expiration date. They will start removing some of the restrictions once some of the numbers start to improve. In downtown Indianapolis, Richard Essex, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.